What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Turbo 10. And today, if you can see behind me here, I got my new wheels from Super Speed. And some of you have guessed it, some of you haven't. But I did get these wheels from Super Speed about a week or two ago. I just haven't had the time to go mount my tires, which are inside. I wanted to take this opportunity to make a video, an informative video, perhaps for any of you looking to buy new wheels and tires for your car, for your FL5. This guide will be a no rub guide. So all the wheels, tires, and springs and spacers used in this video will guarantee a no rub fitment. So let's get straight to the videos. Before we get started on today's video, I would like to thank all the members on the forum, the CivicXI forums, as well as the Twitter and Instagram users that posted their wheel and tire setups with specs. Without them, I would not have been able to make this video for you guys today. And also, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss more informative videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. And let's get straight into the video. First up, we have the member Clark Kent. He is running the OEM wheels and tires with spacers. If you don't know, the OEM wheels as well as the OEM forged wheels from Honda are in the size of 19 by 9.5 with a plus 60 offset. The OEM tires are 265 width and 30 sidewalls, and they're in 19-inch. For Clark, he is running 15 millimeter spacers in the front and 18 millimeter spacers in the rear. So that gives him an effective offset of plus 45 in the front and plus 42 in the rear. Member Type GTSR is also running the OEM wheels and tire setup. However, they are running on 25 millimeter spacers in both the front and the rear. So this gives them an effective offset of plus 35. They're also running the H&R springs with a 0.8 inch drop. And from the pictures, they are looking pretty flush and reportedly no rub. Member CTRPR is also running the OEM wheels and tires with spacers. They are 15 millimeter spacers in the front and rear, giving them an effective offset of plus 45. Matsu FL5 is running the NKRS05RR in the size of 19 by 9.5 with a plus 45 offset. For tires, they're running 255 width and 35 sidewalls. So this should be a little bit more comfortable if you're looking for a daily driver. Member Keenan is running the Vogue TE37s in 19 by 9.5 with a plus 36 offset. Their tires are in 255 width and 35 sidewalls. So again, this will be more comfortable for a daily. Now these will be the first ones in 18s. Member Yukun Nakamura, they're reportedly running the BBS RIA 0055 in the size of 18 by 9.5 with a plus 50 offset. The tires are 265 width with 35 sidewalls. So again, anything that's thicker than the OEM size of 30 sidewall will be more comfortable for a daily. We have another member running the BBS RIA 055, same specs as the other one, 18 by 9.5 with a plus 50 offset. They're also running the spoon springs and reportedly no rub. Member TDC 50 is running the Vogue TE37 SLs in 18 by 9.5 with a plus 45 offset. They've gone with a 255 width tires with 40 sidewalls. So this is even more comfortable. This should help you deal with bad roads, or roads with like deep potholes, and it shouldn't ruin your wheels and tires. Member Fly.0926 is also running the Vogue TE37 SLs, also in 18 by 9.5 with plus 45 offset. However, they're running a little bit wider tires in 275s and 35 millimeter sidewalls. Member CTR Effecta is running the NK Triumphs in 18 by 9.5 plus 45 offset. They're also running 265 width and 35 sidewalls. Member USA underscore 028 also runs the Vogue TE37 SLs. However, this one is one of the more aggressive setups with 285 width tires, no rub reportedly, and 35 millimeters sidewalls. Member Albi is also running the TE37 SLs. However, they're running 18 by 9.5 with a plus 39 offset. Again, they're running 265, 35, 18 tires. They do have a 1.7 front and 2.2 rear camber. Member Squeegee is also running the TE37 SLs in 18 by 9.5 with a plus 38 offset, running 265, 35, 18 tires. So if you've seen so far, plus 38 will be a really good offset if you want flush fitment. A lot of wheels from the FK8 will fit just fine on the FL5. If you're someone who's upgrading or transitioning from an FK8 to an FL5 and you have aftermarket wheels, chances are they're going to work on the FL5. Member Bender Unit posted a picture of the HRE FF15s running 18 by 9 with a plus 35 offset. They're also running 265 width with 35 sidewall tires. Looks to be pretty flush with no rub at all. Member Bryant619 runs a little bit more aggressive wheel setup on the TE37 SLs, running 18 by 10 with a plus 40 offset. However, they're also running the 265 width with 35 sidewall tires. No rub again. Alright you guys, that is all I have for you today. Hopefully that video helped you out with the wheels and tire fitments on your FL5. Basically, if you run anything more than plus 35 offset, you're gonna have to adjust your camber if you don't want rubbing. Anything up to plus 38, you'll be good to go with a flush fitment. As far as tire width goes, if you want to use springs, you'll probably want to go with a 35 sidewall tires. If you go 40 sidewalls on 18s, you're going to rub 100% with any type of lowering springs. So thanks you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to be putting these bad boys on the car real soon with the new wheels. And make sure you stay up to date so you can see what kind of wheels I got. I can't wait to show you guys. Until next time. Peace.